Presenting Speak English, a course in spoken English. Rhyme time. Listen and repeat the rhyme.
Turkey just ran out of sight, out of sight, out of sight. Turkey just ran out of sight. He's nowhere to be found. Better look both north and south, north and south, north and south. Better look both north and south to see if he's around. Maybe he went east or west, east or west, east or west. Maybe he went east or west. Now where did Turkey go?